Hello, 8th grade. Welcome back. We are in the last week of Stargirl. This is the last session. You hopefully are finished or almost finished with Stargirl so that you can do the activities for this week. I did send out an email on, was that Wednesday, where I encouraged you guys to read the rest of Stargirl over the long weekend. If you didn't, that's fine. You're just going to have a little bit of extra, not extra, but it's going to take you maybe a little bit longer to work through the assignments for this session because you have that reading to do. No worries though. There are only 3 assignments, so you should be okay. Let's go over to the folder, which is over here in materials, fall semester. I'm going to do that every single time. And down to unit 2. Down to session 5. Yes, finishing the book. I hope you guys are appreciating this book as much as I am. I do have an extra credit opportunity for you if you stay tuned. I'll let you know at the end of the video. Well, this is the first extra credit. There's 2, actually, for you guys. We have another community building discussion, so it's optional. If you choose to participate, I will give you extra credit. If you don't want to participate, there's no penalty. It's just a place to hang out, have a fun discussion with your classmates. That's it. So we're reading chapters 28 through 34 this week. We're talking about theme. We're going to be looking into the theme. You guys are be discussing that with each other. You're going to finish the plot diagram for Stargirl. This is the climax, the falling action, the resolution. This page right here kind of goes into where you're going to find the climax. If you are unsure of what it is, or maybe like you've already finished and you forgot, check out chapter 30. And then we are going to be looking at the final project. So by the way, I've loved the fan art for Stargirl. You know, if you Google Stargirl movie or Stargirl book fan art, all this like really great, beautiful art comes up. It's awesome if you're interested. So the main idea of this project is that you need to figure out how character interaction relates to the book's theme and what that means for us human beings. So there's going to be 3 things that you guys will do to complete this assignment. They're right here. This is really, the reflection part is like really where I want you to focus a lot of your energy and time. And then, yeah, you'll turn that in. Extra credit opportunity. If you guys are interested, you can watch Stargirl on Disney Plus. I don't think it's anywhere else, so that's kind of the bummer. It could be on YouTube. I did not check YouTube, but I did try to check the other streaming places, and it's just not. There's a possibility it's on YouTube, though. Check YouTube. But it is on Disney Plus. If you guys choose, you can watch the movie, and then I would love to, for extra credit points, give you extra credit points for like a compare contrast. It would need an introduction of a couple of sentences, and then it would need a paragraph about similarities, a paragraph about differences, and then a couple of sentences for a conclusion paragraph. So 4 paragraphs altogether. And then also if you would include like, you know, what you liked or disliked about the movie version. So I guess it would be 5 paragraphs total. Or you could include the like or dislike in your conclusion. Totally up to you how you want to organize that. But I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on Stargirl the movie. I have my own thoughts. I think I've shared them a few times, but in case you've forgotten, I'll just leave the mystery here. Last thing, I am not going to be available Friday, October 23rd. I will be traveling that day, so I won't be able to text, call, or email at all that day. So if you have any questions, if you need anything from me, please contact me before Friday, and I will get to you. Great. Have a great week. I hope that you guys have thoroughly enjoyed Stargirl as much as I do every time I read it. Probably my 15th time reading it this time that reading it with you guys. Great. Have a good one.